How about your family? All are staying safe at home? Feeling good? Okay. How do you do? Have you had a breakfast? Okay. So, do you like this chapter? Is it interesting? Okay. Now let's move on our third chapter, more on MS Word 2010. More on MS Word 2010. Today's topic, mail merge. Mail merge. What do you mean by mail merge? What do you mean by mail merge? Okay, suppose you want to send a letter. You want to send a letter or an invitation, wedding invitation, any invitation you can send. Then to many people. To many peoples. Suppose you want to send a letter or an invitation to many peoples. Okay? Then it will take a lot of time. It will take a lot of time and effort. If the same letter is prepared separately for everyone, mail merge is a feature in MS Word that is used to create multiple personalized letters. Used to create multiple personalized letters. It saves a lot of time as you do not need to change the informations for the new recipient again and again. Again and again. Once I repeat, mail merge. Suppose you want to send a letter or invitation to many peoples. It will take a lot of time and effort. If the same letter is prepared separately for everyone, mail merge is a feature in MS Word 2010 that is used to create multiple personalized letters. It saves a lot of time as you do not need to change the informations for the new recipients again and again. Okay, then show these steps. First step, click on mailing. Click on mailing. Then start mail merge. See, all of you see this? Start mail merge. Click the start mail merge. First step, type an invitation which is to be sent to many people. You have to type only those common details which are to be sent to everyone. Second step, click on mailing tab. Then third step, click on start mail merge to open drop down list. See, drop down list. Then fourth step, click on the step by step mail merge wizard option to open mail merge task pane on the right. Click. See, all of you see task pane. Then next step, click on the letter option if not selected by default and click on the letter option. See this letter option. Click letter option. Then sixth step, click on next starting document to move to step 2 of the wizard. See bottom next starting document. Click on starting document. Then next step, click on use the current document. If not selected by default, use the current document. Click use on the correct document. Next eighth step, click on next select recipient to move to step 3 of the wizard. To move to step 3 of the wizard. See next select recipient. Next, select recipient. Click. Then, next step, select the type of new list option. See, select the type of new list option. Click new list option. Then, 10th step, click on create to open the new address list dialog. Click on create to open the new address list dialog. See create button. Click create button. See address list, new address list. Then 11th step, add title like Mr., Mrs., Doctor, etc. and press the tab key to move to the next field. Then next, Mr. See Mr. First name Anu, then last name CV, then company name HJI, address 304 Shivlok. Then 12th step, similarly enter the first name, last name, address line 1, address line 2, city, etc. After completing the detail of one recipient, press the tab key in the last field to create a new row from the next recipient details. Tab key in the last field to create a new row for next recipient. New row. Last recipient. Then click new entry. See, new row is coming. Next, after entering the details of recipient, click on OK to save to open and the save address list dialog box. Then OK. See? Then 14th step, enter recipient as the file name. Enter recipient as the file name. Then 15th step, click on save to open the mail merge recipient dialog box. Next, see this dialog box? Then yes. See? All of you see? See this all list? Then 16th step, click on OK button. See? Then OK. Then 17th step, click on the next write your letter option to move to step 4 of the wizard. Click on the next write your letter option to move to step 4 of the wizard. See previous starting document and write your letter. Next, write your letter. Click write your letter. Then 18th step, click on the more item option to move the insert merge field dialog box. More items. See this, more items. Click on more items. Then next step, 19th step, click on title if not selected by default. 19th step, click on title if not selected by default. All of you listen. 20th step, click on insert to add title field below to in the invitation letter. Similarly, add first name and last name, etc. click on close when you want to select from a new line, and again click on the more item option. Move the insertion pointer after dear and insert the first name field. Your invitation letter will now look similar to. Click on the next preview your letter option. Then click insert. Click insert. See insert. Click, then title is coming from here. Title is coming. Then first name. Click first name. Then click first name. See, all of you see this first name. Then click company name, insert. Then company name is coming. Company name is coming from here. Then zip code. Then insert. See, zip code is coming. Next, 21. Step 21. Click. See, step 21. Preview your letter. Preview, then close, then preview your letter. See two arrows. All of you see these two arrows. Click to see the letter addressed to different recipient of invitation letter created using mail merge. Created using mail merge. Then step 22. Click on the next complete the merge option to move to step 6 of the wizard. To move to the step 6 of the wizard. See, complete the merge. Complete the merge. Click complete the merge. Then step 23. Click on the print option to print separate letters of all the recipient. All the recipient. I think all of you understood this chapter. Okay, first of all of you read your textbook. Then after that, you have to do a worksheet just provided by me. After completing the worksheet, you have to send your computer miss. If you have any doubts, you could contact your computer miss through WhatsApp or Google Meet. You have submit on time. Now let's move on worksheet section. Worksheet. Answer these questions. Answer these questions. Which features of MS Word 2010 is used to send multiple personalized letters? Which features of MS Word 2010 is used to send multiple personalized letters? Second question. Under which options can you find? Under which options can you find steps to complete a mail merge? Steps to complete a mail merge. Then fill in the blanks. Fill in the blanks. The start mail merge command. The start mail merge command is found under the dash tab. Dash tab. Second question. There are dash main steps to complete a mail merge. There are dash main steps to complete a mail merge. Thank you. Have a nice day. Bye.